The Olympus. The Olympus has two different kinds of handholds, the chains and the holes. The way to get across is to put your feet on the wall and lean out with your butt out. This position will prevent you from sliding down, but it also makes moving more difficult. Take small steps and a firm grip on your hand holds, and you go side to side. The Atlas carry. The first step is to get on one knee and to have one leg on the ground and one leg 90 degrees. Then roll the Atlas carry up your leg and place it on the other leg. Move it to the front of your leg, then slowly stand up and hug the ball. Then you go. The monkey bars. The key to the monkey bars is to keep your momentum going forward and back, then go hand to hand across the monkey bars. Left, right, or right, left. Whichever way, just go one to the hand and then follow that hand. The tire flip. The first step to the tire flip is to get as close as you can. Then squat. Finally, push with your forearms, then grab under the tire and then flip. The key to the spear throw is to have balance. If you hold the spear, it should be able to balance in your hand. Then you take one step forward and you throw. You kind of want to throw it like a dart, nice and straight. The rope climb. The first step of the rope climb is to grab the rope in your hands, not your fingertips. Then wrap your left leg around the rope so the rope is in the inside of your foot. Then simply just jump up and pinch your other foot with the rope. Then stand all the way up, lift your hands as high as they'll go. Then lift your knees all the way up and pinch. Then stand. Do the same thing over and over again. Once you get to the top, it's the same thing that when you come down, just the reverse. You drop your butt and you lower your feet and pinch. The key to conquering the 8'3" wall is to get a good running start and jump up and grab the top with your hands. Then lift your right leg over and push up and lift yourself up on the top of the wall. Then point your thumbs to the side you're gonna fall off. Do a 180 degrees turn on the top. Then lower your body with your feet on the wall to control your dismount. Thank you for watching. Good luck at your next Spartan race.